Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into the world of the best Keurig Matcha Latte Pods available in the market, the Mods Game Set Matcha Latte Tea Pods. If you're a fan of matcha green tea lattes, then you're in for a treat with these 100% matcha green tea latte pods. These pods are California blended and 100% solar energy produced, which means not only are you getting a delicious matcha latte, but you're also making a positive impact on the environment. These single-serve pods are designed to work with nearly all single-serve tea and coffee makers, making it convenient and easy to enjoy a delicious matcha latte at home. Plus, the pods are made from recyclable No. 5 plastic materials with easy peel tabs for recyclability across the USA. But, let's talk about the most important part, the taste. Reviewers have raved about the authentic matcha flavor and the perfect blend of sweetness. Some have even compared it to their favorite store-bought matcha lattes. Whether you prefer your matcha latte hot or iced, these pods are versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. Plus, if you like a little extra sweetness or creaminess, you can easily customize your drink to suit your preferences. At Mods Coffee and Tea, their passion for crafting memorable blends shines through in every sip. Named after their daughters, Maddie and Audrey, each cup embodies warmth and togetherness, creating moments meant to be shared. So, if you're looking for a delicious and convenient way to enjoy a matcha green tea latte at home, look no further than the Mods Game Set Matcha Latte Tea Pods. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more product reviews and recommendations.